everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Anonymous again. Hope you guys are doing fine in this pandemic. And today we are going to draw King in Black, Lord of Abyss, and God of Symbiotes, none other than Null. I know I said I will try not to draw comic stuffs, but you know, like when I want to draw something, I get inspiration from something. For example, like I draw a lot of comic stuff because I like them a lot, and yeah, so we're gonna draw Null. So I have used red color background for him, and black is a more contrasting color. Okay, so why am I drawing Null? Because his comic came out finally. Remember I said King in Black is coming on December, right? Yes, it's out, and it's pretty insane. Okay, like it's really good. Like if you guys have read Dark Avengers, I'm not sure. There used to be a time where the Void shows up, and then like Heroes of Earth will stand zero chance against them. Like Void and Century are the same, and Century is basically Marvel Superman. Okay, but bit different version. Okay, like he's a scientist who gets power from an explosion or something, so he has powers of million suns. Yeah, so what will happen is Null will show up on the Earth. Okay, so heroes will be like, okay, let's fight him off and all those things. Okay, the thing is he'll take over the Celestials. Yeah, it will be written. He bought his first enemies. His first enemies were the Celestials. That's so awesome. Okay, that's so awesome. Like, trust me, it's really good. And then people will be like losing hope. Okay, X-Men will show up. Storm, like she has lightning, right? Lightning is one of the weakness of symbiotes. Thor won't show up. I'm not sure why, because like I'm not really sure whether they're doing the tie-up thing or something, because Thor comics is going on and King in Black is going on. Like both is written by Tony Kitts. Like currently now Thor is stuck in a different realm, so I guess that's the reason why he didn't show up, or else he would have. And yeah, and then they'll be like Storm will be fighting off, and then the captain will be like okay, bring the party in. Okay, and Century. Okay, they brought back Century. Okay, it's like he has been the background character, yes, but he's the strongest thing on the planet. Okay, he, like, I'll say you what Null he has done. He has ripped Ares, like ripped him. Carnage, like that's so awesome, right? Because like it's not an easy task. Ares is like basically Thor, like as strong as Thor. Okay, he's a god, right? He's an Olympian god, son of Zeus, god of war. Like, that's that much strong, right? And like this guy will be like rip him into half, and he'll rip Carnage into half. I told multiple times about Carnage. Carnage is pretty strong, and yeah, like Century will show up. Okay, he just comes in and then he'll penetrate through the head of a Celestial. Okay, that's just really awesome, right? And then like Void, let's speak about Void. Okay, Void is basically dark part of Sentry. Okay, a Sentry has a lot of powers. You know that dark desires will take a form or something. That's basically Void. Okay, so yeah, Sentry will show up, and then he'll come directly to the Null and will be like, okay, my name is Bob, I'm gonna finish this, and then Null will be like, no, and then he'll rip Century into half. Okay, that's like that's not a normal thing. Okay, first of all, that's not at all a normal thing. Capturing the Celestials, ripping Century into half. I don't know, man. Even Fankring Legends haven't done that shit. That's so mind blowing. Okay, like he doesn't stop with ripping Century half. Okay, like when Century breaks out, Void will show, right? Null will completely absorb the Void, and that's something that literally no one in MCU, Marvel comics has never done. Okay, and that's like he'll absorb Void, and then Null will be like, I'm the like Void is nothing than darkness, and I'm darkness. Okay, that's so awesome. Okay, and then Venom will show up to attack, and then Null will be like, okay, fine. He'll just hold Eddie Brock, okay, and then observe the Venom, and then throw Eddie Brock out of the from the building, okay, and then Venom will be like, leave me, and then he will observe Venom completely. Yeah, Venom is gone, kind of. There is Eddie Brock's son, okay. So his name is Dylan. He is kind of a guy who can control symbiotes, okay. He's kind of a living symbiote. So yeah, Null came to Earth for him. So I don't know, just give it a read, okay. I just tried my best, and yeah, he has wings, okay. He haven't drank Red Bull and all, but yeah, he has wings. Like even Venom has wings. I'll try to draw Venom with wings, okay. Next, most probably I'll try to draw Sentry. I'm not sure. Like when I started reading about Sentry, he's really good. Even though he's a background character, he's really good. So yeah, I can see, right, the main contrasting colors are red and then orange for the wings. It's not actually orange, okay, it's orange mixed red. Yes. And yeah, that's all. Like the usual silver, black mixed white. That's all. So yeah, you can just see him, right? Like he walks out of Celestial's body. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. I couldn't finish the background properly, so yeah, that's it. We're done. So I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. I promise Sentry I'll try to draw him. I'm not sure. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Enjoy the winter.